Hello everybody, look at this beautiful star. So let's make it. So take a blue strip of paper and tie a knot like this, tuck it inside and start folding it like this and give it a shape of star like this. Then we are going to press it from all its sides like this, and look, your star is ready. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful gift. Let's make it. We are going to fold this printed craft paper and we are making a box here. Again, fold it and open it like this. We are making crease here, and look, it is almost ready now. Finally, we are going to fold it from its corners and look, it is ready. Now we are going to make the lid for the box. Take another piece of paper and start folding it like this, and look, it is ready. And now we are going to paste all these stars like this, and look, it is ready. You can put it inside the box and gift it to your loved ones. Look at this beautiful wall hanging. Let's make it. We are going to cut this moon shape from this cardboard and paste a blue craft paper on the top. Then we are going to make a beautiful flower by folding this pink craft paper. Cut the flower shape, open it, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to make more pieces of the flower on it. Now cut the yellow strip of paper, make multiple cuts on it, roll it, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to paste it on the flower top, and look, it is ready. Now make more such beautiful flowers and paste it all on the moon shape like this. We're also pasting beautiful pastel colors leaves like this, and look, it is looking so pretty. Add more details and look, it's done. Now take another pink craft paper, fold it and cut it, and we are making a drop like shape like this. Paste double-sided tape on it and paste another piece of paper like this. Add more paper and look, it is almost ready. Same way we are going to add more papers and paste it using double-sided tape, and look, it is ready. We are going to make more such pieces and we are going to sew all of them like this using thread and needle. Paste all the hangings and then finally paste it on the moon shape from the back side like this, and look, your hanging is ready. We are going to make this beautiful wall hanging. Color these shells like this. Look how we are doing here. We are also making different patterns using sketch pens, and look, it is ready. After that, we are going to paste all of them on this jute rope using hot glue gun like this, and look, it is ready. Now make a frame and it's done. Let's make this beautiful star shape hanging. We are going to remove the ring from the bottle cap and cover it with pink yarn like this. Then we are going to make a star shape by rolling the yarn around the ring like this. Roll it again and again like this, and look, you'll get a beautiful star shape. Then we are going to tie knot and make a frill like this and combine all of them together. We are also giving it a shape of leaf like this. You can also put some pearls inside it for more decor. Thank you so much for watching this video.